Hi Dave, we've finally got the old Avenger engine back together. It's just done its first run around Mount Heslington this morning and she seems to be ticking over really well. It didn't really have any drama. It seems to be running a little bit hotter than it did before, but I won't panic about that until she's running. Everything else seems to be going alright. The race clutch with the sticky old clutch cable makes it quite difficult to get up and going, but I think a new cable will sort that out. It's not actually too heavy with the twin plate. The only drama we've had so far is that the exhaust has rotted out, sitting around after having the av gas in it, but we're rubbing on the drive shaft anyway, so we'll have to sort that out. And the water pump is dripping out through the drip hole, which I'll give it a chance to heal up, but I know it's very unlikely.